Hello everyone. Standard Chat retrieves answers by searching your Microsoft Graph. However, for highly complex, multi-step inquiries that necessitate cross-referencing hundreds of specific departmental policy documents, Standard Chat may struggle to consistently find the exact nuance you need. It might inadvertently pull a general company policy instead of the highly specific departmental sub-policy relevant to your query. Because it's a general tool, it searches broadly. When a workflow demands strict adherence to a narrow, specialized knowledge base, such as a dedicated IT troubleshooting database or a proprietary financial regulatory library, the general chat interface often lacks the precision required for high-stakes accuracy. Finally, Standard Chat is inherently conversational, not procedural. It anticipates a user asking a question and then provides an answer. It's not designed to execute complex, multi-step automated workflows without continuous human prompting at every stage. For example, if a business process requires an AI to automatically ingest a form, check it against 3 specific databases, and then email a particular department based on the results, Standard Chat is the wrong tool for the job. A critical caution for users: avoid over-relying on general chat for highly technical compliance queries or deeply specialized departmental workflows. When strict adherence to a specific knowledge base is required, this is precisely where customized agents become indispensable. To summarize the limitations of general chat versus the needs for specialized solutions, let's look at key business challenges. If a task requires a permanent, specific response tone, like that of a legal advisor, the generic chat forces the user to retype persona instructions in every new session. In contrast, an optimized agent is permanently configured with those exact instructions. Similarly, if strict answers are needed from a proprietary 500-page manual, generic chat might pull broad corporate data, whereas an agent is exclusively grounded to that specific manual, ensuring precision. For standardizing a repetitive 5-step data extraction workflow, generic chat requires manual prompting for each step, while an agent can be built with predefined capabilities to streamline the entire flow. Now, let's introduce Copilot Agents and understand how they overcome these limitations. Our scenario begins with Jasmine, who leads the Human Resources Department at a rapidly expanding enterprise. Her small team spends a significant 30% of their workweek answering the same repetitive questions from new hires. How do I enroll in benefits? Where's the travel expense form? Or, what's the remote work policy? Jasmine initially tried directing new hires to the standard Copilot, but the results were inconsistent. Since standard Copilot searches the entire company graph, new hires sometimes received outdated benefit forms from years ago that were accidentally left in public SharePoint folders. The general chat simply lacked the strict focus required for this highly specific HR workflow. Recognizing that a general assistant wasn't the solution, Jasmine decides to design a custom Copilot agent specifically for new hire onboarding. Instead of typing a prompt every time, she configures the agent once with strict, persistent instructions. It must always answer in a welcoming, encouraging tone. And if it doesn't know an answer, it must direct the user to email the HR help desk rather than guessing. Crucially, she restricts its knowledge base, disconnecting it from the general corporate graph and explicitly grounding it only to the verified 2024 HR Policy and Benefits SharePoint folder. This targeted approach is key to an agent's success. The immediate advantage of Jasmine's custom agent is precision and persistence. Now, When a new hire queries the onboarding agent about dental benefits, the agent doesn't search the entire company. It immediately references the specific, verified 2024 document, providing highly accurate information. Jasmine has effectively cloned her team's baseline knowledge into an always available, highly accurate AI tool. This solves a specific, repetitive departmental query bottleneck, freeing her human team to focus on complex employee relations issues that genuinely require human empathy. The foundational instructions for such an agent define its role, tone, constraints, and how to handle sensitive matters, highlighting the core difference between chat and agents through persistent configuration. To move beyond the limitations of standard chat, Microsoft 365 Copilot introduces the powerful concept of agents. If standard chat is akin to a generalist executive assistant, a Copilot agent is a highly specialized, dedicated subject matter expert. An agent experience is fundamentally defined by persistence and deep customization. When you interact with an agent, you're not engaging with the broad, general AI model. Instead, you're interacting with a version of that model that has been specifically instructed to behave in a certain way and has been permanently tethered to a very specific subset of data. This focused approach ensures tailored and reliable interactions.